What is database? Database is a collection of data. Database we can break into two. Data and base. Data means collection of data and base is a location where all the data are stored. Using the database, we can perform multiple operation like insert, delete, update, retrieve. And we are commonly call it as CRUD operation, which means create, read, update, delete. This all the operations are achieved by using tool called DBMS. Properties of relational database. Property number 1. Relational database store all the data in form of tables, which means each table has rows and columns. We call it as rows as tuples and columns as attributes. Here example, student is a table which has a column name as ID, name and age, and we also have data. So this is how relational database stores data. Property number 2. Each table has unique name, which means no two table in the same database has same name. Property number 3. Each row is unique, which means rows are identified by using primary key. Property number 4. Each column has unique name, which means no two column in the table has same name. Property number 5, atomicity of values. Each cell in a table has only one value. There is nothing like we should not have more values in the table in the same cell. But still, the good way of storing the data is we should always have only one value per cell. Property number 6, order of rows and columns does not matter. DBMS has given full independence to keep the table as how user wish, because the retrieval of data is depend upon the query, not depend upon the physical appearance of the table. Property number 7, data integrity is maintained. Data integrity is achieved via keys and constraints. Here we have primary key, foreign key, candidate key, super key. Those things we will see in upcoming videos. And constraints called not null, unique, check constraints, etc. Property number 8, a relationship between two tables. The relationship between two tables is achieved using primary key, foreign keys. Those things we will see in further videos. Property number 9, logical and physical independence. As said in property number 6, you can change how data is stored in physically without affecting the query, because the retrieval of data is via query. It's not about how the table looks.